Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use the sum formula in Excel. Let's get started. First, open the Excel spreadsheet and locate the numbers you want to add. Next, click on the cell where you want the total to appear. Now, type equal sum, then select the range of the cell you want to add. For example, if your numbers are in cells A1 to A5, just type equal sum, then close parenthesis A1 is to A5, then close parenthesis. And after that, press enter and Excel will automatically calculate the total sum of those numbers. You can also use the AutoSUM button. Just click the symbol of the Home tab and select the range and press enter. And that's it. That's how you use the sum formula in Excel to add numbers quickly. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.